overall numbers coming up on your screen. Times Now ETG, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, I have a question for you. Don't go away. But first, the numbers up on your screen. Those are the mean numbers. 358 for the NDA. India Alliance at 152 and 33 for the others. So even if you join these two, not quite going to beat them. So Sanjay Jha, tough luck, but better luck in 2029, maybe.
Or on June 4th.
Or on June 4th. I know. Why not? Why not? Optimism doesn't have an expiry date. Yeah. So let's keep the optimism on. Let's now look at the poll of poll numbers. And the poll of poll numbers, which gives you a sense. Times Now giving NDA 358. India News D Dynamics gives 371 to the NDA. Republic TV PMark 359. Jan Ki Baat NDTV India 375. So the poll of poll numbers is 366. For the India Alliance, it's about 146. Everybody in a similar range, 152, 154, 153, 125 is a little bit of an outlier. Others at 33, 37, 30 and 15. So the average number is 31. No poll really breaking away from the general direction of this. Whether 358 becomes 3...
Okay.
I protest, Navika, because you haven't included German and Indian YouTuber ke exit polls.
वो तो 613 million है ना. I can't. The average will go. They are outliers, and those can't be looked at. But first reactions. First reactions.
What I want to point out here is that the 47 or the 33 given to the others looks to be a little bit exaggerated. Unless otherwise, Trinamool Congress had gone into that side. No.
What shows in YouTube? Whether Indians or from abroad, averages?
I don't know, but these are numbers given.
So you are mocking,
these numbers were given by Supriya Srinath, alliance partner of the DMK, and the Congress put out a tweet of all of this. Maybe you can contact them for the details.
Navika, I want to make a couple of points here. Number one, it is very sad looking at these polls that fascists are coming back again. I mean, I can't breathe. I mean, the democracy is dead. Everything is, it's just
Sanjay
terrible. And number two, I have been saying this all along, this was always a pro-incumbency election. Yes. You look at everything, you look at all that. And number three, ab to desh ki janta ko baksh do. Now, please unite the country and please understand that you can, BJP could have fooled people some other time. But it couldn't have fooled people all of the time.